I'll need a lot of beads for this craft, and I know you're going to love it. Next, I'll need my glue gun. I'll pour glue over the beads. I want to make sure I cover the whole shape. No one wants a broken heart. And this ring is gorgeous. That does look good. But I've got a 3D pen. I want to draw the outline of a flower. Now I can fill it in. I'll start with the petals, but I'll leave the center empty for now. Now I'll switch colors and use yellow for the middle of the flower. I'll press that onto the flower. And that's it. Wow, looking at it makes me feel happy. Everybody loves flowers. Look at that dolly! Whoa! Look at that necklace! It's stunning! Wait, how much? $900? Are you kidding me? Ow, my head, it's raining literature. I'll never be able to afford that. It's so unfair. What's $10 going to buy? Time for me to save the day. I hope this disguise works. Who are you? That's not important. Does this belong to you? Yeah, check out this necklace. It would look great on me, but it's so expensive. Hold it, I have to show you something. Whoa, I don't know what to say. That is a lot of plasticine. Do you just carry that around all day? Because that's kind of weird. Don't judge me. I'm trying to help you. Oh, okay. We could use it to make the necklace. Ooh, I'd like that. I want that one. Blue is my favorite. You're too kind, but it'll cost you. I hope this is enough. If it's cash, I'm happy. I need to check it's legit. I need to get to work. I'll shape the plasticine into a disc. I've cut the tube from a syringe in half. Then I'll use it to remove 2 circles from it. That looks good. I'll roll 2 pieces of white clay and I'll place them in the holes. Now I'll use a protractor to cut the disc in half. I'll need a glass now. I'll remove a section from the plasticine. I'll put this to one side. I'll stick black plasticine to it. And then stick the other piece to it. I'll shape it so it looks like a mouth. I'll gently roll it to get rid of the seam. That should do it. I'll use a metal ruler to cut it. I want to make thin discs. But I need to be careful not to squash them. I think that's enough. It reminds me of someone. Now I need to make it into a necklace. I've got a small hook. I'll insert it into the plasticine. Next, I'll add more of the discs, until I have a chain of blues. I've added a necklace chain at either end. Look at this! How does it look? Wow, it's amazing! My work here is done. Bye, mysterious stranger! What a nice person. You need some jewelry, Dolly. Don't worry, I can fix this. I have some plasticine left. Wow, so chic! We're matching! Come on, we need to show off our new jewelry. Pay attention, class. I want you to answer this question. It's a tough one. It really is? I knew I should have studied harder. I don't know any of this. Nope, this isn't happening. Hey! Leave me alone. Oh no, my pen! Hey, Mickey, do you have a spare pen? I've been chewing on mine. Oh, hold on. Here you go. Okay, let's do this. I know I'm going to fail. Ah, are you kidding me? What was that? My pen, you monster! Shh. How's it going? Can I borrow a pen? I'd do anything for you, Ashley. 2 in a row? Why this keep happening? I don't believe this! I'm stronger than I thought. Time is running out. I need to hurry. I can't use any of these. So can anyone help me? Don't even think about it. Wait, why are you looking at me? Find another schmuck. You know, I don't blame them. Excuse me, do you have a pen? Not a problem, Ashley. You can have this one. No, stop! Hide your pen! Am I missing something? You know, I seem to have lost all my pens. But just saw you holding one. I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay, I'll have to make do with this. Ugh, this is pointless. I can't watch this anymore. I know what to do. I'll need the ink chamber from my pen. I'm going to make her an unbreakable pen. I've got a pen mold here. I'll place the ink chamber into it. Now I need to decorate it. I'll place flower petals into the mold. It's going to be so pretty. I have this little jar of glitter. I'll add to some epoxy resin. Then I'll give it a stir. I want to make sure it's combined. that looks about right. Now I can pour the epoxy resin into the mold. I'll need to cover the flowers. I want to fill it all the way up. Then I'll wait for it to set. I can remove it from the mold now. It just pops right out. Wow, look at that. I better give it to Ashley. Whoa, this is for me? I can't wait to try it out. Ooh, look at that action.
Oh, come on, Ashley. Are you joking?
Hey, it's still in one piece. That's one impressive pen. I'll just double check. Yep, it's Ashley proof.
What an emotional roller coaster. Bravo!
Thank you. A's all round.
Today is the day.
I get to let my hair down and party. What should I wear? Let's see. This looks nice. An excellent choice. I better get dressed. Wow, looking good. Something's missing. I want to stand out. I have the perfect thing in mind. This is just what I need. This is so exciting. Whoa, just look at it. It's guaranteed to add some sparkle to my outfit. I want to see how it looks. Oh my god, I'm gorgeous! I think I'm ready. Hold on. Ashley's tiara was so tragic. I would have felt bad for her if I wasn't laughing so much. I don't want to wear this anymore. I'm kidding, I don't belong at any party. I'm just going to curl up on the couch and feel sorry for myself. Never going outside again. What's going on?
Wow, I'm really nailing those landings now. What's wrong, Ashley?
Hello? Nothing good ever happens to me. What? What's going on? Who are you? And how did you get in here?
I'm your fairy godmother. What seems to be the problem?
Isn't it obvious? I just wanted to look good for the party.
Is that all? You shall go to the ball. I mean, party.
I'm not feeling this. Do something.
Sorry, it's a new wand. I'm still getting used to it.
Don't do that again. What now?
It's okay. Just give me a moment. Maybe if we, hold on. That's a strange-looking wand, but I think I can use it. I'm about to give this tiara a makeover. I'll use the 3D pen to trace over the tiara. I'll go around the gems. I want to create a frame. I love this color. Now I'll switch colors. And I'll fill in the gemstones. I'll go all the way the edges. I can't forget about the little gems either. Now I can carefully remove it. Say hello to your new and improved tiara. I know, I'm amazing. Here you go.
Oh my god, I'm getting emotional.
It's the perfect fit.
Wait, what's happening?
You're going to like this part.
Whoa, this is unbelievable. These glasses don't go with this dress. Wow, look at me. Beautiful. Thanks so… Where did she go? I never got to say how much this means to me, but thank you. Now let's party. La la la. Hi. Welcome to my kitchen.
You make a great mermaid, Dolly. What's that smell? Mom's made cupcakes. Ooh, they look good.
Hands off. We're having technical problems.
I just want one, Mom.
Never.
Ugh, you're mean. She thinks she's so smart. I'll finish off your tail.
Where was I? Oh, the cream.
What's that, Mrs. Dog? Say that again. That sounds great.
Next, I'm going to make a delicious tomato dish. Wait, don't do that, Ashley.
Hey, how's it going? This is my dog. She likes long walks on the beach.
Ashley!
Hi, Mom.
Get out of here!
Sorry, I just wanted to go viral.
I'll put my cupcakes over here.
This is our chance. It's going to be the perfect crime. Mom had no idea. Hey, look. I'm a social media star.
Let's get cooking. I'll need this bowl. Huh? Where did it go? It's around here somewhere. I should have known.
That is so good.
You see what I'm dealing with? Hey, give me that! You're coming with me. Give me the bowl.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You have frosting on your nose.
Oh, how did that get there? It must be one of life's little mysteries.
The show's over. Everything is ruined.
Maybe I can fix this. Give me a moment.
I'm sorry about this. I just wanted to entertain you. I can't even do that.
Hey, Mom, check this out. How does that feel?
Ooh, that's the spot. Hang on. Let me see that. Ashley, what have you done? This is my whisk.
I was just trying to help. Let me think. Oh, I've got it.
What am I supposed to do with this? Wait, I know. You're going to enjoy this. I'll take the coil of plastic. I'll cut lengths off. And then I'll loop them around each other. Now I need the 3D pen. I'll use this to fuse the pieces together. Then I'll build it up. I want to make a handle. I've got a handy little whisk. Isn't it wonderful? It'll be available on my online shop.
You have a shop? Whatever, here's your bowl.
That's my assistant. This is doing the job. How do you turn this thing off? Phew, what a day. I need to relax. That was hard work. Oh yeah, that feels so good. That's hitting the spot. Sometimes we have to deal with unexpected problems in life, but there's always a solution, especially when you have a 3D pen and a whole lot of resin. What was your favorite craft? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.